Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake and its ingredients. First, ensure you have all your ingredients at room temperature for best results. You'll need about 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 100 grams of unsalted butter. Also, prepare a 9-inch round cake pan, greased and floured. This guide will walk you through each step to create a delightful homemade cake. Let's talk about the core ingredients for a fantastic cake. You'll typically use about 200 grams of all-purpose flour, which forms the cake's foundation. 150 grams of granulated sugar sweetens it perfectly. 2 large eggs bind everything together and add richness. 100 grams of unsalted butter contributes to a tender texture and wonderful flavor. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder for lift, and about 120 milliliters of milk for moisture. Now let's get to mixing. First, in a large bowl, cream together 100 grams of softened unsalted butter and 150 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, gradually add your dry ingredients, alternating with 120 milliliters of milk, mixing until just combined. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious creation. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Then, it's ready for your favorite frosting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.